Hello all. In this tutorial, we will see about CopyMaps in Oracle Fusion Cloud. So when you go to Application Composer and uh, in the Application Composer with the sandbox, so under common setups, we can see under advanced setups, we can see CopyMaps. So these CopyMaps we can use to copy one record uh, from one object to another object. Suppose, so basically in sales flow, so first a lead will be created and then opportunity, so that we can convert to an opportunity. So here, lead and opportunity are different objects, but lead is a first stage of opportunity, right? So we need to copy the same information or exactly same information from lead to opportunity. So it means all the fields, whatever we have in the lead, will be available in opportunity, and revenue lines and in lead should get copied to opportunity. And similarly, team members, whatever other child objects, related objects, so all should get transferred to opportunity. So out of the box, Oracle will give this CopyMaps functionality to copy that to copy just using a button or action. So if you want to do the same thing in custom, so we might need to write a Groovy code. So on clicking that, so the code should get copied from the current record to the opportunity record. It should get created. But this CopyMaps will it's a simple functionality. So where we can just give the details, what is the source object, what is the target object, and what is the source field and target fields. So all that we will set in the CopyMap, and then it will get automatically transferred. Suppose so here in the CopyMaps list, so by default we will see two CopyMaps. One is standard and another one is a copy or default mapping. So standard copy map we can't edit, but the another default copy map we can edit. So if we want to define another copy map, so we can just copy this, we can duplicate this particular copy map using actions, and then we can just we can make any new changes. So for duplicating, so we just need to hover on the copy map and then go to actions, click on duplicate. So after clicking on this particular copy map, so we will be navigating to the edit page. So we can change name and description, and we can see what is the from object and to object. I'll open lead to opportunity. So the next one is lead to opportunity. So in lead, so we might have there can be different scenarios. Some leads can be like partner leads, or some leads can be direct leads, direct or indirect. So depending on the scenario, we can create two different maps for direct and indirect. So here the from object is lead, and to object is opportunity service. Right? So, and we can see how it is mapped. So opportunity header, opportunity profile is mapped to sales lead profile, and opportunity campaign is mapped to campaign member in lead. and opportunity contact is mapped to sales lead contacts. Opportunity lead is mapped to sales lead. Opportunity source is mapped to sales lead. And then opportunity revenue is mapped to sales lead products. So this is how, these are all the child or related objects. So that are mapped to opportunity child or related objects. Okay. So, and then this is entity mappings. That means like object or child object level mapping. And query attribute will be always the from object primary key. And attribute mappings will tell whether it's so here from means the in this scenario from is lead object. All these fields available in this drop down are for of lead object. So we need to select the ID from lead or the field from lead, and then the respective field in opportunity. Here it can be different field or with the same name, but the idea is to copy this field to the field in the next in the target object. And primary key we will map with lead ID to opti ID. So so this is a key, and for all we can uncheck it. And also so we can give some expressions here. So suppose if you want to pass conditionally, okay, so so we don't want to pass the same value as in lead, right? So that time we can give an expression here. So if budget status equal to approved, then yes, else no. So like this we can write a if else condition, or we can simply make a condition, and we can just like a formula field we can return something, return return y or return n. So that also we can do. So if we click on this groovy expression editor, so we will get this screen. Okay, so then change anything here, and then click OK. So if the if expression is not copied, or then you can just copy that expression and then just place it here directly. So by default, all the values will be available here. So whatever the fields that needs to be that are available in the objects, that will be available. So if not, just enable updatable flags. So if you want to add any, so suppose if you want to later we might be creating custom fields. So from opportunity and lead. So you just need to click plus here, and then add the field in the opportunity lead and the respective field in the opportunity. And then you can save this one. And if you create any relationship object, so again you can create a plus here, and then you can choose what is the that relationship object in the target object. In the target, and suppose I wanted to copy deal registration also to opportunity from lead. So then I can just include this, and then I can select unique identifier, and then the query attribute will be lead ID. So now this is my CopyMap. So now we have different CopyMaps. We have multiple CopyMaps, but but what is which CopyMap we need to use while converting lead to opportunity? So for that, we should go to a task, copy lead to opportunity of map. Manage admin profile option. And then search for mapping or copy. So similarly, here we can see, so after defining that copy map, we need to set the default copy map. So in case if you made some changes in copy map, copy opportunity map, that the respective profile option need to be set with the copy map name. So for like similarly for copy subscription mapping, so that copy map you need to specify here. And if it is a right, some other mapping, so you need to specify the same copy campaign to lead of copy map. So that copy map you need to specify. So here we are searching for a copy map that is specific to uh, from lead to opportunity. So I'll search for lead. Okay. So here we have direct lead to opportunity copy map, and then another one will be for partner lead. So yeah, so partner lead to copy opportunity is for indirect leads, and for direct leads which are created by sales reps. So in the direct map, in the direct direct lead copy map, so I'm already specified the correct map, so which is I'm using. So if you want to use some other copy map, so we need to give that the new value. So now we can go to the lead area, and then we can we can test the changes. This is already converted. So we'll take another one, which is qualified. So go to actions and then just click on convert. So while choosing this convert option, so a lead will be converted to opportunity. Okay. So in this particular case, whatever the profile option we set in the manage admin profile option, so that copy map will be applied. So it will take all the details from the lead and it will create a new opportunity. So once the opportunity is created, it will show in the opportunity tab. Okay, so this is how we can use the copy maps. And so there are some limitations to the copy maps. So we can't use we can't use for custom objects. So those limitations are we can't create for all the objects, and we can't uh, create specifically for two objects, like from lead to service request or something like that. Because so those kind of copy maps we can't use. So whatever listed here, so we can just edit these copy maps and we can use it in the respective actions. Suppose while in the actions we'll get copy business plan or copy opportunity, to copy the same details and to create another opportunity. So like that. So it is mostly for the inbuilt functionality to enhance the inbuilt actions. And so we can just edit and we can duplicate and we can edit and then we can modify, we can use it, but we can't create for with different objects. Okay. So similarly for others, right? So we can look for the respective profile option codes, and then we can map the correct one. So this is all about profile options, and these copy maps cannot be used in Groovy or for converting. So if we want to use through Groovy, so we need to use either web services or new views to create a record. So yeah, that's all about copy maps. Thank you.